Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Temu. So let me take you to the website, which is temu.com. For the ones who don't know what is Temu, Temu serves as an online marketplace that connects consumers with countless sellers, manufacturers, and brands globally. They are committed to offering the most affordable quality products to enable consumers and sellers to fulfill their dreams in an inclusive environment. So you can come to the website, you can explore all these amazing products, you could buy something for yourself, for your family, totally up to you. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Temu. Can we earn? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of Temu and start promoting them to our audience. And when someone from our audience come to Temu, create an account, makes a purchase, guess what? You'll get the commission. Is it really worth it? Is it really worth promoting Temu? Let's look at the number and see how famous they are. So globally, they are ranking somewhere at the number of 120, and in the category, they're ranking at number 6. You see, and if you scroll down in here, we can see they got over 226 million monthly visits. Now that's something. People know them, people love them. That's why we are seeing too many people coming to their website to buy products. So they're pretty famous. You simply have to promote them to your audience. Now, let's talk about the affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down till the very bottom of the page to the footer section, and you can click on affiliates and influencer. When you do that, it will take you to this page, and I'm going to mention the link to this page directly in the video description as well for your quick reference. So once you're here, you would be able to see the details like why join them. So they give millions in commission. Anyone can join. It's easy to earn, and they are trusted brand as well. And then these are the benefits you could get from them. They have given over 2 million commissions to the affiliates, and then they give bonus as well, and then they give up to 20% commission, and you also get refer bonus as well. Now some of these details are outdated because these informations are from the time when they came in the market and they wanted to have more consumers, and we would know more about it later in the video. Then there are some frequently asked questions as well that you can read and understand. Now the question is, how do you join the affiliate program? So according to this page, you can simply click here and join, but that will not be helpful to you because as I said, some of the information here are outdated. Even the way to join the affiliate program seems outdated. So to join the affiliate program, let me take you to a website called cj.com. Now why CJ and what is CJ? CJ is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. Now, what is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing network work as a third party between affiliates and brands. And in order for affiliates to connect with the affiliate program of different brands out there, affiliates have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Temu, and if you want to promote them, then we must join cj.com as an affiliate. Now on cj.com, they call affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers. So don't get yourself confused. Now, how do you create an affiliate account with cj.com? For that, you can simply click on sign up, which will take you to this page. On the right hand side, you can click on sign up, and then it will take you through the registration process. Now, I understand registration could be tough. There are plenty of things that you have to keep in mind while you create an affiliate account with cj.com. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with cj.com. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow through the instructions, and get yourself an affiliate account. After creating an affiliate account, or let's say if you already have an account with CJ, simply come to the website, click on login, which should take you to this page. Enter the email address and password, click on login, then it will take you to something called Publisher Dashboard. This is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, but our focus is just Temu and their affiliate program. So how do you find their affiliate program? For that, you can simply click on advertisers, which will take you to this section. And over here on the left hand side where you see advertisers, you can just put your cursor over there and start typing Temu. And when you do that, you will see in the drop down Temu along with the number. So you can simply click on it and then click on search. When you do that, you would be able to see the affiliate program details of Temu. Over here, you would also be able to see the website, the email address, and all these information that you can read through. So the program highlights, they say that they give between 2% to 20% commission rate. So this is one of the things that might interest you. Then they have dedicated affiliate marketing team as well, and they got diversified products and daily updated product feeds as well. And service country as of now is just US. So if you bring any consumers outside of US, then the commission will not be given. It's just if you bring any consumers from US. And if you have any question in relation to the affiliate program, you can write an email to this email address, not this one that you see in here, but rather this email address. Now, if you click on program terms in here, you would be able to see more information. For example, here they say it's 2% commission, not 20%. And why is that? It's think of it this way. When you will be joining the affiliate program as a starter, you would get 2%. But once you do better, you could always write an email to them and request to increase your commission rate, and it's possible to have it increased. They will, of course, look at your performance or probably see your online presence and decide on that. Then you see here the situational commission adjustments. So here it says customer country exclusion US. So if you click here, you get to see if you bring any consumers from outside of US, then your commission rate would be 0. Similar to that, if you click here custom status exclusion, if you click on view, you would see that if you bring any customer that is not new, then you will get 0% commission. So what they're trying to say here, you will only get commission when you bring new consumers to them, and if this consumer is from US. So that's something you have to keep in mind. So basically you have to focus on bringing new consumers to them rather than the consumers who are already using their services. Right now, if you scroll down, you would be able to see more information like policies, and I highly recommend that you read through it and you understand it. And then if you scroll down in here, the social media, so they even allow on social media. That means if you get the approval, you could promote them on your social media accounts as well, but it requires return approval from them. So after getting the approval for your website or blog, you could write an email to them and ask them if they're fine with you promoting them on social media. If they say yes, then you can go ahead and do that. Similar to that, you can read through all and understand the affiliate program better and the policies. So let's say you read it all. Now you want to apply to them. How can you apply? Simply click on this button, apply to the program. When you click on it, you would see something like this, special terms and conditions. Again, you can read it entirely because it's very important before you join Temu affiliate program or you request for it. Because if you don't read it, what if you end up doing something that you shouldn't be doing? You have to abide by the terms and condition, isn't it? So you can read through it and then you can click on accept and apply. When you do, your application would go to the Temu affiliate marketing team. They will review whether you're a good fit for them or not, and they will also see your online presence. So when you will be creating an affiliate account with CJ, you must have given your website, blog, or related information. So they will see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they will approve you. And you would also see this message as a confirmation. So you can simply click on close and then you will be taken back to the dashboard. The question is, how much time would they take to review your application? They could take anywhere between 2 days to a couple of weeks time, but you always have an option to reach out to them at this email address to inquire more about it. Let's say they approve you. How would you know about it? So you will get an email. So that's the best way to be aware of it. You will get email notification, and you will also be able to find them if you click on advertisers, and if you select my advertisers, and then if you click search. So you would be able to find them listed over there as approved. Now let's say you got the approval. Can you just take any product from the website and start promoting them? No, that's not how it should work. You should be using tracking links which are unique to you and which has your unique ID in it. So to get yourself a tracking link for Temu, you could click on links and you can either click on search or link tools. Now search tab here will help you in getting the links which are already existing for Temu, and link tools will allow you to create your own tracking links. So this way you can explore the tracking links and you can start promoting Temu. Now the question is, where can you promote them and how can you promote them? There are many ways you can promote them, but still I'm going to cover some basic ways you could promote them. The first one would be website. So it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you had given this information in while creating an affiliate account with CJ and you got the approval for it from Temu, you could promote them on your website. Doesn't matter. Put the advertisement on the right, left, up, down, or probably create an entire different section on your website for the products from Temu, and you could promote them. That's totally up to you. The other way, which I think would be best, would be the blog. So let's say you have a blog, you could create blog posts on different products of Temu. Just write about different products, and then at the end of the blog post, mention your tracking link. Just say if you're interested to buy this product, click on this link and buy the product, something like that. So this way you can create a number of blog posts for different products of Temu. The third, which I think would be the best here, that would be the shopping website, because people do come to shopping website to shop, isn't it? So you could probably have an entire section for Temu, where people can click on a small button for Temu and explore all the different products that Temu is offering. And this way, you would be able to interest people more to go to Temu website and make sales from there. So these are the way that you could promote Temu, but ensure whatever way you're promoting them, you must have gotten the approval from them for that specific way. That means you must have given that the website, blog, or shopping website details while creating an affiliate account with CJ. So you have to keep in mind, you are not allowed to promote them anywhere else apart from the one where you got the approval. Now, let's say you started promoting them, you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? So for that, you can come to your dashboard again, the publisher dashboard with CJ. You can click on reports, you can go to performance, and you would be able to see your performance there. How about the payment of the commission? So whatever commissions that will be getting generated, Temu will make the payment of it to CJ, and CJ will issue the payment to you. So for that, ensure your payment details are up to date on CJ dashboard. For that, you can click on account. You can click on administrative settings, which will take you to this section. Over here, you can click on edit on the side in here, payment information, and you would have an option to either give your banking information to get the payment via direct deposit, or you can also update the Pioneer account details. So these are the two payment methods which are available. The other thing is CJ won't be able to issue the commission to you unless you exceed minimum $50. So right now I have set it to 100, but you would have an option to set it anywhere. It should be minimum $50. So let's say if you set it to $50, and if you have accumulated more than 50, then only then you would get the commission from CJ for all the sales that you have brought to Temu. So this is how you can update your payment details and you start getting commission from Temu via CJ. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in applying to the affiliate program of Temu. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.